Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're going to be talking about Subulata narrow leaf, commonly known as narrow leaf Sagittaria, which is an aquatic plant native to North America, particularly found in marshes, ponds, and shallow waters. This versatile plant is appreciated by aquarists for its slender, grass-like leaves and ability to thrive in a variety of water conditions, making it a popular choice for both freshwater tanks and aquascaping. An interesting fact about Subulata narrow leaf is its remarkable ability to adapt to different lighting conditions. While it prefers moderate to bright light, it can also tolerate lower light levels, making it a great option for both beginner and experienced aquarists alike. Subulata narrow leaf typically features narrow, elongated leaves that can grow up to 24 inches tall, creating a graceful, upright appearance. The leaves are bright green and can form dense clusters, providing a beautiful contrast in the aquarium. This plant can also produce small white flowers above the water's surface when it reaches maturity. In its natural habitat, Subulata narrow leaf thrives in soft, muddy substrates with slow-moving water. In an aquarium setting, it prefers a temperature range of 68 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit and a pH level between 6.5 and 7.5. This plant can tolerate a range of water hardness, but does best in slightly acidic to neutral conditions. Subulata narrow leaf requires moderate to bright light for optimum growth, but it can survive in lower light conditions. It benefits from nutrient-rich substrates and can be supplemented with liquid fertilizers or root tabs to enhance its growth. Regular pruning is recommended to maintain its shape and promote bushier growth. In an aquarium, Subulata narrow leaf pairs well with various fish species, including tetras, guppies, and rasboras. It also complements other aquatic plants such as Anubias and Java ferns, providing a natural-looking environment. However, avoid housing it with aggressive fish that may uproot or damage the plant. Subulata narrow leaf is commonly used in aquascaping as a background or mid-ground plant, helping to create depth and visual interest in the aquarium. It provides shelter and hiding spots for smaller fish and invertebrates. While it is generally safe for fish, it can grow tall and may overshadow smaller plants if not regularly trimmed. That wraps up our introduction to Subulata narrow leaf. This elegant aquatic plant can add beauty and structure to your aquarium, making it a favorite among aquarists. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your experiences with Subulata narrow leaf in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Happy planting.